Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I draw cute stuff using my iPad and talk about being a full-time illustrator. Today I am going to share with you the process behind this illustration. I am drawing a cute girl wearing headphones. I always start my drawings using a raw sketch. I like to use the simple sketch brush from Procreate and red tone for the sketch. I am using my iPad Air 3, the program Procreate for drawing, and the Apple Pencil. This is a very easy drawing that you could try to replicate at home using your iPad or use a piece of paper. I don't like to spend a long time in my sketch. I prefer to invest my time in the illustration details. Procreate is my favorite program to draw on my iPad. However, if you are just starting and you don't want to pay for the program or you are not using an iPad, I also recommend Eevee's Paint. This is my first video including my voice, so it will be super helpful if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also linked my Instagram account below where you can check more of my work. Thank you so much for your comments. Your support makes the world for me. I will see you next week in my next video. Bye!